Fitting a mortise lock. Mark the centre of the middle rail. This is the position in this door where the lock will be fitted. Square round onto the edge of the door. Now find the middle of the mortise lock and mark up with a pencil. Match these two lines up. Then mark the top and bottom of the lock onto the door. Draw around the profile of the lock onto the face of the door. There are many different types of mortise locks available, some suitable for internal doors and some for external. Again, as with the cylinder lock, it's advisable to consult your insurance company before fitting. After transferring the portion of the door that needs to be chopped out, find the center line and mark. Use a flat-bladed wood bit, slightly larger than the width of the lock mechanism. Wrap a piece of adhesive tape around the bit at the depth that the holes need to be drilled. Carefully drill the marked position of the door, removing the section that will accommodate the mechanism. Square up the hole, chiseling out with a wide-bladed chisel. When this has been completed, tidy up with a smaller chisel and try the lock. Draw around the edge of the lock and remove enough of the timber to accommodate the lock face. Once you've done this, check that the lock fits. Now place the lock on the front of the door and mark the position of the handle and keyhole. Drill these out on both sides of the door. Use a smaller drill to give you the position to drill from on the other side. As the keyhole is a rectangular shape, drill 2 holes and then tidy up with a chisel. Now fit the lock into the door. Push the spindle through the lock mechanism. Position the door handle, square up, and fix to the door. Check that the lock works. Close the door, moving the door backwards and forwards. This will mark the door frame where the keep will need to be fitted. Position the keep on the door frame. Draw around the sections that need to be chopped out. Chisel these out with suitable sized chisels, remembering that the lock and latch area need to be quite deep. Check that the keep fits correctly. drill the pilot holes and fix. The catch plate will need to be bent slightly in order for the door to open and close properly.